Hello friends, today's book is going to be Mr. Stink written by David Walliams. There is a tramp called Mr. Stink in this book and a girl called Chloe. Chloe feels sorry for Mr. Stink, so she offers him food and shelter in her home. At the same time, Chloe's mom is standing to be the local MP, and she thinks if she says that she brought Mr. Stink into her home and gave him food, water and shelter, she could go to a higher level and become closer to be the Prime Minister. So she does that, which causes a lot of confusion and chaos. This book, written in a nice David Walliams style, changes from sad to glad, and it is funny in parts too. This book was a nice weekend read, and it took me about 1 hour to read this book, and I'm sure if you come across it, you might like it too. Bye friends!